Assalamualaikum, good morning. You have everything you need. You don't need more time, you need less distractions. You don't need motivation, you need self control. You don't need more resources, you need resourcefulness. Alhamdulillah. You don't need luck, you need preparation. You don't need to be busy, you need to be focused. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start. Alhamdulillah for the barakah. Sa mga taga-Chibo, thank you sa video na ito. Maganda. Appreciated. At sa mga iba kong mga new friends out there, take care and have a good day.